If you sell customized print-on-demand items on Etsy, it is not necessary to synchronize t-shirts, mugs, and other custom personalized items with the manufacturer. There is no point in doing that because you have to add a customized design to the item manually anyway. You may think, okay, but I don't want to fill all the other order details manually. This is an understandable concern, but actually, you don't have to fill in other details manually, that part is left auto-filled. So, let's go step by step. I presume that your Etsy shop is already synchronized with some print-on-demand service providers. In this video, I will show you how it works with Printify. I have not tested it with other print-on-demand companies, but their features should be similar. The first step is to publish a listing on Etsy. Add images, create variations, do everything you do with standard Etsy listings. Step 2, do nothing. Wait for the order. When an order comes in, go to Printify's application and find your order. Companies usually fetch all your orders, not only those with their item only. On Printify you will find these orders under the Other Orders tab. Click on Order. Click on the Select Product button. Choose a product. Choose the print provider. And choose the product's ordered color and ordered size. Add your design and send the order to production. In this way, you are not tied to any particular print-on-demand company and you can choose either a better product or a product with a better price.